Hey, if you only have about 10 minutes, but you have a pound of ground beef and you need to feed the family, this recipe today is going to be perfect. We're going to make smashed tacos, which I know you've probably heard of before, but we're going to make them together today. It's Monday and I kind of feel like smashing something, so let's get into it. We begin by seasoning our ground beef with a little bit of paprika, some garlic powder, some pepper, and some salt. Then I'm going to add in some chopped green onion into the bowl here, and then I'm going to begin to start mixing it with my hands. You want to mix all of the seasoning together, the green onions together, but you can omit some of the seasoning and you can add some of your own seasoning. It just depends on how you like to season your ground beef. It's a very creative recipe here, and you can kind of add in what you prefer. But this is a nice standard, great tasting, flavored smashed taco here. Next, I'm going to get out my flour, 4 flour tortillas, and I'm going to separate the meat, the ground beef, into 4 quarters. And I'm going to roll up the meat into a ball and put them on top of each flour tortilla. Now, this is where I kind of smash the taco or smash the ground beef into that flour tortilla. You can use your hand, you can use a utensil to smash it. I prefer to use my hands because I can get it a little bit more even and kind of pushed out as far as I can to the edge of that flour tortilla. So you just want to make sure that you get it as even as possible. Next, I'm going to warm up a skillet, and I'm going to place one of the tortillas on the skillet first with the meat side down, and I'm going to cook this for a good 3 to 4 minutes until that ground beef is cooked thoroughly there, and then I'm going to flip it over. I'm going to add a piece of cheese to the top because I like cheese on my smashed tacos. I'm going to place a lid there so that the cheese melts, and here we go. Our smashed taco is completely done. Although now we're going to garnish it with a little bit of shredded lettuce, and you could put pickles on here. You can garnish it with anything that you like. I'm also going to add in some diced tomatoes, and then I'm going to add in some of my homemade hamburger sauce, and I'm going to drizzle that on top. And you could add any sauce here. You could add mayonnaise, salsa, whatever you would prefer here. And so there we go. It looks like I've got that fully loaded up there and garnished. Now here's your recipe card that you can take a quick screenshot of, so you'll have the recipe. And if you love cooking with me as much as I love cooking with you, hit that like and subscribe button so that we can see a little bit more of each other. Now let's taste this delicious smashed taco. Okay, friends, here's my smashed taco. Let's take a bite. Wow. Flavorful. I see why everybody's going crazy over smashed tacos. These are awesome. Delicious. I'm going to eat this one and probably another one. So great. Good protein too, right? So this is a great ground beef dinner for you to make if you've got ground beef in the house and some tortilla shells. Let's do it, right? I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching. Bye. You're so good.